How to add second W-2 in Drake software. Open the client tax return in Drake software and go to the main data entry screen. Locate the income section where wage information is entered for the taxpayer. Type W-2 in the selector box and open the W-2 entry screen. Review the first W-2 that is already entered for the first employer. Press the page down key on the keyboard to move to another W-2 screen. Wait for a new blank W-2 entry page to appear for another employer. Enter the employer name address and employer identification number from the second W-2. Type the wage amount shown on the second W-2 form. Enter the federal tax withheld and other required tax amounts from the form. Add Social Security wages, Medicare wages, and any additional box codes if needed. Check the information carefully so it matches the second W-2 form exactly. Save the screen and Drake will include both W-2 forms in the same tax return. Thank you for watching.